Hello YouTube, Vaginal Orgasm, a sexologist told where and how to seek bliss. More than one generation of women have struggled to achieve a vaginal orgasm, believing that something was wrong with them. More than one generation of men worked in bed in disappointment, not understanding what they were doing wrong, why the partner could not come from such intense and persistent body movements. Years of misunderstanding and trying to find the right orgasm in the vagina, all this was based on the false idea that the vagina is designed to enjoy penetration, and it cannot be otherwise. The existence of a magical point of orgasm, namely, located somewhere in the vagina of the G-spot, the world first heard from the German gynecologist Grafenberg. And then humanity decided, by finding this point and clicking on it, a man immediately automatically becomes an excellent lover. At the same time, women began to aggressively offer training and exercises to develop the G-spot, and then to increase this zone with the help of hyaluronic acid injections. And all this in an attempt to get rid of the stereotype a woman without a vaginal orgasm is sexually inferior. Handy thing to manipulate. But in 2005, urologist Helen O'Connell published a study based on an MRI study of the clitoris. It turned out that the G-spot, the sensitive area inside the vagina, is nothing but the articulation of the legs of the clitoris. By touching a point on the front of the vagina, the clitoris is simply stimulated, only from the inside. Many amateurs, professionals and scientists understood this interesting topic. But the mysterious vaginal clitoral orgasm has become for the scientific community the very Bermuda Triangle, in the depths of which all information, logic and theory disappear. Now scientists have come to the consensus that the popular G-spot is part of the clitoris, and the vaginal orgasm is just a social construct. But a ghost still roams society. What if a vaginal orgasm is achieved by stimulating other areas of the vagina? No, because the vagina has almost no nerve endings. Can women feel a tampon or menstrual cup inside? Most women will answer no. Of course, sensitivity can be trained, masturbation to help, but not where there are no and never were nerve endings. Sensitivity is increased only in the first third of the vagina, just where the clitoral bulbs are located. Thus, the clitoris wins the battle of orgasms. No matter how you turn a woman, from which side you approach her, the achievement of the peak of pleasure depends on the clitoris. Nevertheless, research continues, and there are still many interesting and important discoveries ahead. And every woman, if desired, can contribute to the study of orgasm. Right now. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.